Assalamu alaikum grade 4. Today we are doing the chapter number 10, which is your new chapter. So you have to make the title page, you have to maintain the index with the date properly. And in this chapter we will cover the two lessons, lesson number 1 and lesson number 2. What are the area and the perimeter of a square and rectangle we are finding in this chapter. What we have a lesson number 1. In the lesson number 1 we have to find out the perimeter of a square and the rectangle. You have to find out the length of the square when the perimeter is given, and you have to find out the one dimension of a rectangle when they are giving you the other dimension and its perimeter. So first of all we have to find out the perimeter of a square. If they are giving you that the 20 centimeter, for your recalling, I am giving you that in the grade 3 you already learned about the perimeter and the area. How you were finding out the perimeter? Basically parameters are the sum of all sides. What are the parameter? What is the parameter? Parameter is the sum of all the sides. This side one, this is a basically a square. The square have a equal length and they have 1 2 3 and 4 sides. That's why we can say that the sum of 4 length is equal to the parameter of a this square. So you have to recall that the parameter of a square is made up of a 4 sides of equal length, and in this one they are asking to find out the value of a parameter or of value of the length if the parameter is given, and the parameter of the square is 20 centimeter. So you have to write first of all the parameter of of a square is 20 centimeter, and you have how many sides we have 4, so we have to divide with the 4. We will get the 5 centimeter. Similarly, we have a question number 2. In the question number 2, again they have a same thing, but look at this, they have the different units. That's it. And we have to find out the again the length of the value. And you already know that the length of any square is basically the division of a perimeter with the 4. So here we have a parameter 40 centimeter, we have to divide with the 4 and you will get the answer 10 meter. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 tens are 40. That's why we are writing the 10 meters. Okay, we have a question number 3. The perimeter of a rectangle is given. Now we are going to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. First of all, you have to recall there is a rectangle have a two equal sides. If we are saying that the breadth is the four, this breadth and this breadth sides are basically equal, the length of these two are the equal. They are making the shape of a rectangle. In this one they are giving you the perimeter of a rectangle 28 centimeter total. It means when we are adding all the sides we will get the 28. If the breadth is 4 centimeter long, what is the length of a rectangle? Please remember this the 4 centimeter, if it is the 4 centimeter, that will be also a 4 centimeter. Okay, and you have to find out the length. Perimeters are those, we have to add this and this, we will get the 28. Okay, so here we have to write breadth is equal to 4 centimeter. How many length we have in the picture? 2 length. That's why we are writing length plus length. Perimeter, you have to write the perimeter first, then you have to subtract one breadth and you have to subtract the second breadth, this one and this one, because we have two breadth, and we will get the 20 centimeter. How many lengths we have? 2. So simply you have to divide the 20 centimeter with the 2, you will get the 10. You will get the 10. Okay, so the length of single is 10, and this one is also a 10 centimeter. If we are adding 10, 10, 20, 24 and 28. Okay, is it fine? Now we have a perimeter of a rectangle which is having a 32-degree and the length is given, and this time you have to find out the breadth. It means that this side is also a 10 centimeter. Okay, and we have to find out the centimeter, it's meter, so let me correct it. It's a meter. Okay, and we have to find out the breadth of this is a 6 centimeter. How we got this? Simply you have to subtract 32. You have to write 32 minus 10. Again you have to subtract minus 10 because we have a 2 lengths, and this is basically is equal to a 2 times of a breadth. So we can write that it is equal to 12, and simply you have to divide with the 2. Reason is this, to find out the single length of a breadth. So if you are dividing 12 by the 2, you will get the 6 meter. Okay, so what you have to do now, you have to do the practice question, which is on a page number 221. You have to find out, uh, you have to do this in the book. The parameters of a squares are given. Basically it's a square. Please read the question properly. It's a square, so simply you have to divide the parameter with the 4. When you are dividing with the 4, you will get the answer. Okay, you have to do it by yourself. Find the length or a breadth of each of the rectangle. If whatever the angle is, you have to try it by yourself. Okay, and your home task is you have to complete the worksheet 15, 16 and 17 by yourself. Okay, for your assistance, after completing, please verify your answer from the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.